My name is Johanna. Just come to the front of the mat. Set your intention. Push up, shoulders, wrist, chaturanga. Inhale, upper facing dog. Reach both arms high. Transfer the weight to the left hand. Feel free to alternate. Pivot the right foot, elevate the right heel, flex the elbows and your knees. It is always quality, not quantity. You can always do your own body weight. Back to balance. Warrior 3 variation. You can even lift the left leg high, extend the left knee, strengthen the left leg to your own degree of flexibility. Belly in, pull, lift the hips to recover. Namaste. Great work. I will see you soon. Bye.